Ohayo gozaimasu. Today we have Rururun Slimy Pot Jelly. Let's try. Step 1, 2, 3. Let's open. Wow. Oh. There is a spoon. Candy balls. And this is the slime. And one more. Powder. First, let's wash this one. It's clean. Let's put the slime. First, we need to put water. Okay. Then, let's put the powder. The slime. And then, let's mix. Let's mix. It gets thick. Then let's put this one more powder. And mix again. Wow! Color is changing. Like that. It's like jelly now. When we put this one first, we need to wait 1 minute before we put the second one. And then we mix it like that and put the candy balls. Let's put. That's it. Slime jelly pot. Let's try. Itadakimasu. Pink tastes like peach. And then the blue one tastes like a sport drink, like Pocari Sweat, like that. And then let's try the jelly. It's sweet, amai. Children will like it. Thank you for watching.